husbandry is done for two purposes: milk and draught labor for agricultural work such as tilling, irrigation, and carting. Milk producing females are called milch animals or dairy animals, while the ones used for farm labor are called draught animals. Milk production depends to some extent on the duration of the lactation period, meaning the period of milk production after the birth of calf. So, milk production can be increased by increasing the lactation period. Exotic or foreign breeds, for example, Jersey, Brown Swiss, are selected for long lactation periods, while local breeds, for example, Red Sindhi, Sahiwal, show excellent resistance to diseases. The two can be crossbred to get animals with both the desired qualities. Proper cleaning and shelter facilities for cows and buffaloes are required for the health of the animals and for production of clean milk as well. The food requirements of dairy animals are of two types: maintenance requirement, which is the food required to support the animal to live a healthy life, and milk producing requirement, which is the type of food required during the lactation period. Cattle suffer from a number of diseases. The parasites of cattle may be both external parasites and internal parasites. The external parasites live on the skin and mainly cause skin diseases. The internal parasites like worms affect stomach and intestine, while flukes damage the liver. Infectious diseases are also caused by bacteria and viruses. Vaccinations are given to farm animals against many major viral and bacterial diseases.